Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will divide into the world of data analysis with the Erpnext and Power BI. We will cover the key aspects of sales data analysis, including sales per day, gross profit ratio, inventory turnover ratio, and days, and ROI of each item. Erpnext is a powerful ERP system that stores all your business data. But to make informed decisions, you need to visualize and analyze this data very effectively. For this purpose, we imported all the data from the Erpnext and make relevant relationship between the tables and computed the DAX function and analyzing the data, where you can see the total sale of this company and month-of-month changes, how much is it increasing or decreasing. Sales per day, what is it increasing or decreasing. Total quotation and conversion ratio, total stock value, what is the total overall holding period of this stock value, and gross profit and their gross profit percentage is also given. In this case, as a total sales, we have given the monthly sales of total monthly sales. In monthly sales, if you click the each month, for example, the May month, then it will fetch the only May month data here. May month total sales, May month per day sales, May month how much quotation, what is the conversion ratio, stock value made. Where you can see total sale of the month and the gross profit of the each month. If there is any reduction in gross profit of any month, we can analyze by clicking this month data specifically and analyzing for which product group is affecting the gross profit of the overall profitability of the company. And next graph is group-wise total sales and what is the holding period and gross profit ratio, the profit investment ratio. This has been given here. And under the group, we have again classified for each one of this group, again classified under different category, and we can analyze the what is the holding period of each item. If there is a higher holding period, we can make a relevant decision whether it is being sold out or not. Next one is that we have analyzed based on customer group. Customer group, there is a different types of customer group is there. If you click the one customer group, you will get what is the total sale of this customer group, sales per day of this customer group, total quotation, what is the conversion ratio, and monthly sale of this customer group is also available. And based on this customer group, we will get the overall gross profitability of each customer group. Next one is this customer we again classified as a different stages because this type of business have the customers are passing from stage 1 to stage 4. Then we can analyze how many customers are in stage 2, what is the total turnover of each month in stage 2, what is the total turnover of each month in stage 3, what is the gross profit of each stages, and based on that we can analyze the reason of the overall profitability and the different types of the growth of sale of each month of different stages. Further, some customers may purchase stage 1, stage 2 item. Some customer may not purchase the stage 3 and stage 4 item. In that case, we have to get the data of the customer who are not purchased at the stage 3 and stage 4 item. In that case, we have to get the data of that particular customer, and that data we can use to follow up for a different team to follow up the sales and to increase the sales. Next one is the stock, monthly stock range, whether it's increasing or decreasing, and it is a stock value of each item group or product group. In the red indicate is if the holding period is more than 1 day, it shows the red. When we click on this red, we can analyze which product is more holding period. In that case, we have the department that the business has to take action to sell out this item immediately and to recover the fund and to improve the cash flow. This is a salesman voice sales. If you click the one salesman, you will get the word salesman or trend of each month sales and which product is selling and what margin is and which is the top product which are selling. That you will get the each sales. Next one is the stock analysis. Stock analysis, we will get the overall total stock by the average holding, the minimum stock, or the average stock of the unit. We will get, and here we have mentioned the quantity of the stock, how many if select this item, how many quantity we are sold in each month. We will give the April in the total sale of that particular item. The stock value of each item. In this dashboard, we have given a separate item is that minimum quantity. This minimum quantity is calculated based on the past sale. actually in normal case minimum quantity is set by every organization, but in this case the system is auto calculating the minimum quantity based on the past sale. If the minimum quantity, if the starter stock is less than minimum quantity, then we are ensure the error. In that case, a business can take the appropriate decision which makes the last to purchase the immediately and to satisfy the customers and to provide the adequate quantity to our store. These are the overall analysis of ERP data.